In the digital age, the volume of textual data generated daily is overwhelming. Natural language processing (NLP) has emerged as a powerful tool to manage this influx. With Python and AI, summarizing articles becomes an accessible task, streamlining information consumption and enhancing productivity. To initiate the article summarization process, one must first gather the article's text. This can be accomplished using libraries like Beautiful Soup for web scraping or Requests for fetching text from URLs. Once the text is acquired, it needs pre-processing. This involves cleaning the text by removing unnecessary characters, links, and formatting issues, allowing for smoother subsequent processing. Next, understanding the core ideas of the article is crucial. Here, NLP techniques such as tokenization and sentence segmentation shine. Libraries like NLTK and Spatie make it easy to break the text into manageable chunks, enabling the identification of crucial sentences. Each sentence can then be evaluated based on its significance, often measured by frequency of word occurrence or context relevance, facilitating the extraction of key insights. AI plays a vital role in enhancing summarization capabilities. Implementing pre-trained models like BERT or GPT can improve understanding of context. By utilizing Hugging Face transformers, users can access advanced models that analyze articles' content, capturing nuances and allowing for more coherent summaries. These models work by predicting the important sentences that encapsulate the article's essence, automatically generating concise summaries that maintain the original meaning. After identifying significant sentences, they can be ranked. A straightforward approach is to use techniques like text rank, an algorithm designed to evaluate sentence importance based on its connections within the text. The top-ranked sentences can then be selected to create a summary that succinctly presents the core ideas without losing context. Once the summary is crafted, it's essential to refine it. This can include restructuring sentences for flow, ensuring readability, and eliminating redundancy. The goal is a polished product that resonates with the reader, while encapsulating the important facts. Furthermore, testing the model against various articles can help gauge the effectiveness of the summarization technique, allowing for adjustments to improve accuracy and coherence. In conclusion, using Python and AI for article summarization is not only feasible but increasingly efficient with modern NLP techniques. By leveraging the right tools and technologies, one can navigate the overwhelming sea of information, extracting only what is necessary and presenting it in an easily digestible format. This capability not only saves time but enhances comprehension, proving invaluable in our information-rich world.